नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं ईश्वर। मैं आप सभी का अपने चैनल टेक एंड टारगेट पर स्वागत करता हूं। दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो में हमारे साथ है आकाश, जो कि प्लेस हो चुके हैं इन्फोसिस में। तो दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो में ये अपना पूरा का पूरा इन्फोसिस का इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने वाले हैं। तो मेक श्योर आप इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखिएगा। साथ ही साथ दोस्तों, नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में इनको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन भी जरूर विश कीजिएगा। तो दोस्तों, इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं इनके इंट्रोडक्शन के साथ।
Hello everyone, I am Akash Khandare from Jalna district of Maharashtra. I am a BE graduate in electrical engineering. I would like to focus that I am not a CS student, I am a non-CS student. I come from Jalna district of Maharashtra. I have completed my BE in electrical engineering from Pune University, and currently I am working in Infosys as a systems engineer, and I am happy to say that I am an Infosian now.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच आकाश फॉर योर शॉर्ट एंड ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन। आकाश, अब ये बताइए, जैसे कि आपने जैसे अपना ऑनलाइन टेस्ट क्लियर किया, उसके बाद आपके पास इन्फोसिस का इंटरव्यू मेल आया कि आप शॉर्टलिस्ट हो चुके हैं। तो जैसे आपका मेल आया, उसके बाद आपके पास इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल का कितनी दिन बाद मेल आया? क्योंकि काफी बच्चों को डाउट रहता है कि सर इंटरव्यू मेल कितने टाइम बाद आता है, मींस अप्रॉक्स कितना टाइम लग जाता है?
Actually, I wrote the exam on 22nd of August, and on 28th of August, I got the mail that you are selected for for the interview of this role. And after that, on 15th September, I received a mail. Sorry, I would like to correct that. On 5th of September, I got mail that on 9th September, my interview is scheduled, and I should be prepared for that. On
Okay,
8th, sorry, once again, I would like to correct. It was on 8th September. I received a mail on 8th September that tomorrow is your interview on 9th September and be prepared at the specified times.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच आकाश। अब मैं आप सभी को एक चीज बता दूं, जो ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, इनके पास इंटरव्यू शॉर्टलिस्ट का मेल आ चुका था 28th ऑफ अगस्त को, और 8 सितंबर को इनका इंटरव्यू है। तो आपको यार 10 से 15 डेज का वेट करना पड़ेगा। तो ज्यादा टेंशन, जिन जिनके पास मेल आया, अपनी इंटरव्यू की प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट कर दीजिए। तो आकाश, आप अपना इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस बताइए कि क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस आपसे पूछे गए, कहां से आपने प्रिपरेशन की। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट।
So अगर if all want to know कि मैंने कहाँ से प्रिपरेशन की, so the entire credit I think goes to the Take and Target and the Anshul sir. So initially I was like blank how to prepare for a CS or a IT company, but then I usually, like any other student, I googled it. Then on the YouTube I found Take and Target, and there I took help, I took guidance. Like there are numerous videos regarding the interview experiences. So I saw that, and from there I got a roadmap, like how I have to prepare, what things I have to study. Look, this is not a bigger competitive examination, this is a simple placement examination. So all what we have to do is we have to do specific reading, we need to have some guidance, and according to that we have to proceed. So first of all, I got all the we, for sitting before an exam, we go for previous year question papers. Similarly, in this case also, I saw all the videos from your channel, from Take and Target, and from that I got an idea, like there are some subjects, like some CS subjects which are emphasized on and which are asked occasional, like every now and then. Those subjects are, for example, DBMS is asked, then OOPS concepts are, like those are the, you have to like padna hi padna hai. There is no option, other option than OOPS. Then SQL, then basics of, if you are a non-CS IT student, then you should also have the basic understanding of what is a programming language, what is a coding, what are the current technologies in the market, like that. So I prepared in this way. I have studied only, I have done only specific reading, and after that I used to revise it again and again and again. And after a period of time, I gained confidence, like how to interact with the interviewer and how should you behave in the interview, and this all helped me.
ओके, थैंक यू आकाश। एंड मैं आप सभी को बता दूं, आकाश जिस रोड मैप की और जिस प्रीवियस इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस एंड एक्सपीरियंस की बात कर रहे हैं, उन सभी के लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएंगे, तो एक बार उनको भी जरूर चेक कर लीजिएगा। अब आकाश, ये बताइए कि आपसे इंटरव्यू में क्या क्या पूछा गया स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक।
So first of all, everyone is expecting, like, tell me about yourself. So I prepared for that. Like also your channel has video for that also, like how to introduce yourself. So in introduction, I mentioned all my skills, whatever I know, and then whatever projects I have completed in my engineering and diploma period. And after that, whatever hobby you possess, you should mention that also, because I think that if you are mentioning your hobby, so it like, yeah, it varies. Some may mention or some may not, but I thought I should mention, so I mentioned at that time. And after that, uh, I like what I believe in. You should have something that you believe or you focus or you want to. So I mentioned what I believe in. And after that, I said a line like, ma'am, I'm ready to learn and I'm ready to grow and work with Infosys. So this was showing like I am interested in Infosys only and I want to work. You just give me a chance, I will prove myself. So this was my introduction. And after that, when I mentioned when I mentioned my projects in the starting only in the introduction, so she focused on the project. She asked me, what projects have you done? So I told like, ma'am, I have done two projects, one during engineering and one in the diploma. So she asked about engineering project. I told I have done on IoT. So this was something she focused again mostly on. So she asked, what is IoT? I told what is IoT and all that. So then she asked, what was your role in the project? And after that, she asked, like, she wanted to know whether I have in person done that project or like I have purchased some from somewhere else. So she asked me, what is IoT? What are the applications of IoT? And then she asked me, can you give some examples, like some IT company? Can you name some companies which are working for IoT or in IoT? So I was aware of that. Like I have done the project myself only with my teammate. So I told her everything. I answered every question regarding the project. So after project, she asked me, what is a function? What is a function in programming? So I answered that also. After that, she asked me the comparison between C and C++. Like I haven't mentioned C or C++ in my introduction. I have mentioned that, ma'am, I know the very basics. I mentioned the very basics of C and Python language, and I know the DBMS and OOPS. But she tried to ask C++ also. So she asked difference between this, and after that, uh, she asked about, do you know OOPS? Like I said, yes, ma'am, I know OOPS. I was very happy to hear that like she is asking whatever I know only. So I told, yeah, ma'am, I know. So she asked me, like, you, Akash, you say whatever you know about OOPS, not specific, but whatever you have studied or read, you just tell me. So I told everything about OOPS, whatever I have read or studied. I told her about uh, four pillars of OOPS: abstraction, encapsulation, everything, and then what is a class, what is a object. And lastly, I did something good, like um, I gave her examples also. Like I said, ma'am, if Infosys is an object, like, sorry, IT companies uh, are a class, then we can say that Infosys is an object of that IT company. So she laughed and she praised, like she said, yeah, you know. Then I said, yeah, ma'am, I know. So after that, after asking about OOPS, she told me, can you code? Like, can you code? So I was confident enough. I was liking the info knowledge, but I said, yes, ma'am. I don't know how it happened, but it happened. I said, yes, ma'am. So she, fortunately, she didn't ask me anything to write or to code. So she said, okay. And after that, she said, do you know software development life cycle? So I said, yes, ma'am, I know, but I know only the specific basic things of SDLC. I can't elaborate it. So she said, no problem. You just tell me whatever you know about SDLC again. So I told her what are the stages of SDLC and what SDLC is. And also I have read about models, SDLC models, specifically
Waterfall.
waterfall model, I guess. Yeah. So I have read about it one day before the interview, so I could recap it at that time, and I told her what is a waterfall model. And here I stopped. She said, okay, no problem. So then she started to terminate the interview. She asked me, do you have a laptop? I said, yes, ma'am, I do have. She said, 8 GB laptop. I said, yes, ma'am, I do have 8 GB laptop. She said, okay. Then after that, she asked me, have you done any internships? So I have done one internship during my diploma period, but it was not related to the IT or some CS thing. So I told her that, ma'am, I have not done internship, but yeah, I have done, but it is not related to the CS or IT. So she said, okay, no problem. Then she terminated there and she stopped there and she asked me, do you have any questions? So I was prepared, like you have said in your videos many times that whenever interview asks you if you have any questions, you must ask at least one question. So I asked her one question. I said, yes ma'am, I would like to ask one question if you permit. Like I was prepared that I should be in discipline throughout the interview. So I said, I want to ask, but if you permit, then only. She said, no problem, you ask. So I asked one question, like, ma'am, it was a general question. That question was picked from your video only. I asked, ma'am, what programming language should I learn, or what technology, or what should I read now so that it would help me later at Infosys. So she said, you need to read or study nothing. If you are selected, our trainers will train you and you will grab your knowledge there only. So no need to worry. Then second question I asked, ma'am, like, when will the results be out? I was very eager to join Infosys, so I asked. So she said, I can't say it right now. My HR team will handle and will contact if you are selected. So in this way, my entire interview happened.
ओके, थैंक यू आकाश. आकाश, ये बताइए इस टोटल इंटरव्यू का ड्यूरेशन क्या था? Any idea?
It was 18 minutes. I have recorded the entire interview, so it took 18 minutes.
ओके ओके, इट वाज 18 मिनट्स. और यार मैं आप सभी को एक चीज बता दूं, जो ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, अगर आप सभी ने ऑब्जर्व किया हो, आकाश के प्रोजेक्ट में आईओटी यूज किया था एंड उनसे आईओटी पे क्वेश्चन किया गया. एंड आप देख सकते हो, बीइंग अ नॉन सीएस स्टूडेंट, उन पे लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछे गए. एंड इनसे एसडीएलसी भी पूछा गया, जो मैंने अपनी हर एक इन्फोसिस की वीडियो में भी बताया कि इन्फोसिस का जो रोड मैप है उसमें भी बताया कि आपको एसडीएलसी कहीं ना कहीं आपको फोकस देना पड़ेगा, पर वो भी इनसे पूछा गया. तो एक रिक्वेस्ट यार, हमारा रोड मैप जरूर देखिएगा, कहीं ना कहीं आपको एडवांटेज जरूर मिलेगा. आकाश, अब वीडियो को एंड करने से पहले ये बताइए कि जैसे आपका इंटरव्यू हुआ, फिर रिजल्ट कितने टाइम बाद आपके पास आया?
Actually, one thing happened during the entire journey. The interview was scheduled on 9th of September, but due to some internet connectivity problem, I could not uh, attend the meeting on the given time. So a delay of 9 minutes happened, and after 9 minutes, when I entered into the meeting, so she told me that, Akash, you are already late. You have wasted 9 minutes, so I can't interview you right now. But my HR team will contact you and will reschedule. At that time, I was literally, after closing the meeting, I was crying, like, what I have done. I was eagerly waiting for this opportunity. Hardly I could enter into the interview round, and now I have wasted it just for a silly reason, like I cannot have a proper internet connectivity. So after that, I waited for 1 week, but no response after 9 September. Then I again thought that I should wait 2 to 3 days more, so that if something comes, I will be ready. But again, nothing come. And after that, I thought, like, I should not wait for Infosys. I should move on. I should look for any other opportunity. Then suddenly on 4th of October, I received a mail from Infosys. I was outdoor only, but when I saw the name Infosys, I was really happy. I thought, like, something is gonna happen. So on 4th of October, I received a mail that, hello Akash, are you still interested to join the Infosys? Like, they have sent me one form, one Microsoft form, asking me to fill all the details, whether I am keen to join the interview meeting, whether I am ready to join or not. So I've filled that entire form, and immediately on the next day, on the 5th of October, I received another mail saying that, hello Akash, congratulations, your interview is scheduled tomorrow on 6th of October at this timing, on given specified time. So whatever experience I have told, that happened on 6th of October finally. And after that, on 15th of October, I received a mail that, congratulations Akash, you have a job offer from Infosys for this position and this like compensation. So at that time I was very happy. But later I realized that this was not the offer letter. This was not the official offer letter. This was only the confirmation of the job from Infosys to me. So again, like, all the happiness was resorted to the sadness. I was silent. I could not, like, tell my friends that I am selected in Infosys. But later, I contacted some of my seniors. I asked them, like, what will happen further. So they said, you have to wait. you are for sure gonna join Infosys, but when, that is not specified. So you better wait for 1 or 2 months. If they don't respond, then you move on. So then I thought, okay, I should like wait for some more time. From starting, I'm waiting, so I should wait for some more time. Then all of a sudden, on 29th of October, at I could recall everything about Infosys, like this journey has happened in that way. So on 29th of October, I received a mail from Infosys finally giving me everything, every document, like offer letter, service agreement. I was literally happy. And then I told everyone that, yeah, now I am an Infosys, I am selected in this.
ओके सो मेरे ख्याल से यार
Yeah.
जो जो वीडियो देख रहा है, पहले मैं बता देता हूँ, आकाश का जो इंटरव्यू था वो शायद 9th of September को स्केड्यूल था, राइट? और वो कुछ रीजन से नहीं हो पाया, ये डिले हो गए। और ये चीजें आप लोगों के साथ भी होगी। मैं काफी स्टूडेंट्स को जानता हूँ जो सोते रह जाते हैं, जिनका नेट नहीं चलता है, बहुत सारे इश्यूज होते हैं। बट टेंशन नहीं लेनी है यार, इंटरव्यू स्केड्यूल हो सकता है, तो वेट करिएगा, पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ये जितनी भी ड्राइव होती हैं ये अच्छे लेवल पर होती हैं, काफी ज्यादा हायरिंग होती है, काफी सारे स्टूडेंट्स एनरोल करते हैं, तो हर चीज के लिए जरूर टाइम रखिएगा। साथ ही साथ कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन आकाश यार, आप तो सेलेक्ट हो ही गए हो। एंड मेरी भी एक रिक्वेस्ट है आप सभी से, जो वीडियो देख रहे हैं, कमेंट सेक्शन में आकाश को कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन विश जरूर कर दीजिएगा। आकाश, वीडियो को एंड करने से पहले फ्रेशर्स के लिए, फिर जिनका इंटरव्यू अब होने वाला है उनके लिए आप कोई टिप देना चाहोगे कि लाइक उनको क्या क्या करना चाहिए? बस वीडियो को फिर एंड करते हैं।
Sure, sir. So like, first of all, we have to keep in mind that this is a simple placement examination. So don't worry, don't get panic. You have to read what the exam is asking you. Like, there in the written section, there are 5 sections, like mathematical, numerical ability, English, and all that. So you have to read that, you have to study that. After that, if you are selected for the interview, so what I think is like 50% war is completed. You have to go for 50% only. So for interview, I have written some points also. So I would like to say that for the entire interview, you should respect the interviewer, because respecting is the most important thing. Like, you should not hurt him, hurt her, or his ego. And then be calm, composed, and patient for throughout the interview process. And if you don't know the answer, don't try to fool them, or don't try to say whatever you can recall. You have to speak with, like, you have to think before you speak in the interview. And keep some confidence, and have confidence and belief in yourself. That is everything that you need, and you will sail through the process, and you will be selected for this. And sir, also I have one request. I would like to thank one person that have helped me in the entire process. So can I, if you permit, I would like to.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Like, there are 2 persons actually. First one is yourself, Anshul sir. I am really thankful to you. Your videos have helped me, like, in every manner. I have seen your video for interview, for written, even I have watched your videos for TCS preparation also. And fortunately, I have got offer letter from TCS as well. And then the second person is my one of my friends, Abhijit More. He has helped me through the entire process. Like, initially when the lockdown happened, I was not having the entire system. I was not having the laptop or the internet connection at my home. So whenever there was a there was an interview or any placement exam, so I have to go to his home and have to give or appear for that exam. So I would like to thank you and Abhijit More. That's all, sir. Thank you.
एंड मैं भी अभिजीत को थैंक यू बोलना चाहूंगा यार, ऐसे दोस्तों की वजह से हम काफी लाइफ में बहुत आगे जाते हैं। मेरे भी ऐसे काफी दोस्त हैं जिनकी वजह से आज मैं कह सकता हूँ यार, मैं सक्सेसफुली अपना यूट्यूब चैनल से लोगों की हेल्प कर रहा हूँ, स्टूडेंट्स की हेल्प कर रहा हूँ। सो थैंक यू टू ऑल द फ्रेंड्स, टू ऑल ईच वन ऑफ देम हु हेल्प ईच अदर। So thank you so much Akash for sharing your whole interview experience on our channel. That means a lot. Hope so ये वीडियो बाकी सारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए हेल्प आए। So thank you so much.
Sure, sir. Thank you.